Piglet, I love your ears. Go get Camel. Say hi. Here, Piglet, do you want to play with a toy? Piglet! Piglet! Come here, babe. Look! You only want Camel's toy? I guess so. Go get it! Go get it! Not the grass, silly. You're only interested in what Camel's doing, huh? Hi, Camel. Hey, Camel. I don't know, but you're on a roll with event dogs. That's awesome. Piglet! Piglet! Come here. You are made of suede. And you have such cute ears. You got little Kenzie ears.
So anyway, they jump in the, they run around together like they were
best friends and knew each other forever.
Yeah.
That's so funny. Whoa. I'm going to get run over. They're so cute. She just wants to